I see a lot of people wearing glamorous clothes now. I think we went through a couple of years and some more, in fact, of this whole thing of being simple and simplicity, being very underplayed. I think right now, the way I see trends and the way I see what people want, a lot of glamour, very high glam, I think, is going to be the mantra. Anything that's outrageous, anything which is totally westernized, anything which is vulgar, you'd never see these elements in any of my collections. Ranveer Singh, yes, he wore 2 of my pieces for both his receptions in India, and for me he really is a style icon, and I think the one person who can carry off anything very traditional to very funky, avant-garde, I think he just gets it right. Chic. It's so chic. It's fab. Fab, actually. That's the word I want to. It's okay, fine. It's not fab to say fab anymore, okay? Just say fabulous.
I would actually say this Basra necklace of my grandmom. She passed it on to me, and that's actually where I took my inspiration from. See, sarees has been the longest tradition that India has had, and they are constantly being played with, and people are experimenting. So the new form of saree is pre-draped sarees, and we do a lot of them, and I would say the future is interesting. Let's see like what all people can innovate with, but I'm sure like it can be done in various ways. I believe it's always best to remain simple yet like be stylish.
So I would say men, it's Hrithik Roshan for me, and then it has to be Bebo. It has to be Kareena. For me, no, big no. I'm not a neon person. I can't even, neither I like it nor I want to see anyone who's wearing neon. So for me, it's a big no. Being a designer, I feel, we make a collection with a lot of hard work and a lot of efforts goes into one collection. I mean, if the 3 outfits are used or 4 outfits are used or worn by the celebrities, we cannot like create a next collection in like 10 days. So that is something which really disturbs me, and I feel that this needs to be like changed.
Wow, that's a controversial question. But if you really ask me, of course, the Queen Bee, Sonam Kapoor and Rhea Kapoor, I think they are solely responsible for changing the scene of fashion in the country, and so glad it was so overdue. Besides that, I think a lot of people have contributed in the form of personalities, like a Kareena Kapoor Khan. You put anything her in and she just looks $1 million. Deepika Padukone has that fantastic carriage and the gait to carry off anything with so much class and panache. So it's a complete mixture, but for me, if I have to top 3, it has to be Anushka Sharma, because I think her style is extremely relatable and she doesn't ever try to please you. Like, she does what looks good on her, and that's something which is extremely important. Sonam Kapoor, who has changed the ball game for fashion. Deepika Padukone, because she is every designer's dream. Belt it up. Whatever you have, belt it up, because it just, and belt the narrowest part of your waist. It just gives your body, maybe of any size that you are, will just give the right dimensions. I have had for ages. I think my sunglasses, I can't live without them. I think I spend maximum of my earnings on sunglasses. So definitely that's for me, my go-to.
For more fashion tips, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.